Hello everyone, this is Moses, the one who help you if you're interested to study in Korea. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to register for a phone number or how to buy a SIM card. So let's get it. Guys, what are the things you have to do after arriving to Korea? There are a lot of things to do, like getting your transportation card, like to open your bank account, to register for your foreigner Aryan card. There are a lot of things to do, including to get a phone number, to buy a SIM card. There are things you have to do before like getting your phone number. First of all, you have to open a bank account, and the second, you have to get an alien registration card as a foreigner. So, of course, you can also get a phone number with your passport, but the problem is you can only use a prepared system if you open or register a phone number with a passport. There are largely prepaid and postpaid mobile phone plans. For example, like for prepaid phone plan is like to buy a certain amount to pay a certain amount, and that amount, that's the data you will use, and only that amount of money. But postpaid mobile plan, you will pay what you will use. So guys, like I can recommend you the postpaid phone plan because it's so convenient. But you have to remember that to open that phone plan, you have to have a bank account and an alien registration card. So keep that in mind. In fact, after arriving to Korea and walk around in the street, you will find out a lot of like telecommunication companies, like signs. Guys, there are really a lot. And here in Korea, they have three like big telecommunication companies, which is SKT, KT, and LG. After coming to Korea, remember these signs, because when you will see these signs, feel free to enter inside and then tell them that you want to register for a phone number. They will show you a lot of plans, so you have to choose what is right for you according to how much data you want to use, and then just sign the document and submit them. They will immediately give you a phone number, and then go home and send a message to your family. In fact, I think you will be really surprised because the mobile plan here in Korea are very expensive. But like in my case, I use the cheapest mobile plan, and then in the connection like internet, I just have a NEC. Yeah, this is a NEC, and I just pay like $50 per month, and I use like 10 gigabytes every month. So if you use like mobile data and try to use 10 gigabytes without a NEC, it's almost $80, which is really expensive. So keep that in mind. I said that there are three telecommunication companies here in Korea: SKT, KT, and LG. And what is surprising, the price are similar. Like calling from SKT to LG or like LG to KT, it's really similar, which is different for us in Rwanda. We have two telecommunication company, which is Airtel and MTN. If you call Airtel to Airtel, it's really cheap, and MTN to MTN, it's very cheap. But when you call Airtel to MTN or MTN to Airtel, it's really expensive. I was so surprised. And another thing you might ask, which is the best or the most used telecommunication company here in Korea? I don't know why, but it's SKT, because if you look outside, SKT like is the one who has a lot of stores, and the second one is KT, and the next one is LG. Actually, you seem to be scared a lot because of this part. Guys, don't worry. If you can speak Korean language well, there is only one way. As there are a lot of like foreigners in places like Hongdae, Myeongdong, and Itaewon, you can go at those places and register for your phone number. And like because of a lot of foreigners in those places, of course the workers can speak a lot of foreign language. So keep that in mind. Don't forget Myeongdong, Itaewon, and Hongdae. Yeah, of course you can call and ask in advance because like here SKT, KT and LG, they have numbers for customer service available for foreigners. And if it's for foreigners, of course foreign language are provided. But unfortunately, I know that only 3 languages are available: English, Chinese, and Japanese. So if you want to ask in advance, please check the numbers here and then feel free to ask, well, whatever you want to ask. Yes guys, today we looked how to register for a SIM card or how to get a Korean phone number. Guys, was it helpful? To be honest, when I came here in Korea for the first time, I'd only made a research about studying in Korea, and I remember having hard time because there are a lot of things that I didn't knew. And because of that, I'm planning to start a series of videos that will help you to know what are the first things to do after arriving to Korea. So I don't know if you came to study or you came to work, but my purpose is to like not you to face errors or pass through the difficulties that I faced the first time. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one. Bye.